What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. In this video, we're going to be testing out the gaming on the new S20 FE 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, I hope you guys are having a good day. Hope everyone is safe out there. We're going to be doing the gaming review on the S20 FE 5G. I have done a little bit of gaming on this device, but I just want to show you how this device reacts to certain graphic settings and things of that nature. So we have a few games right here that are high graphic intensive games. We're not even going to try running Temple Run 2 and things like that, because we already know that those games run perfectly on this device. But we have Real Racing 3, we have Call of Duty Mobile, and we have Fortnite. The first one we're going to start off with is Real Racing 3, so let's go ahead and check this out. Alright everyone, so we're starting up the full race. I'm going to turn on max volume right now. This is an extremely loud device, as you guys can hear. Very, very loud device. Everything's running smoothly. The graphics look amazing on this device. Obviously, we have that Snapdragon 865 in this device that's making this run so smoothly. The graphics look amazing, though, on this. Also, that 120 Hz display comes in clutch as well. But this game runs absolutely perfect on the S20 FE, as I suspected. But really liking the 120 Hz display. Graphics look good. Graphics are on the highest settings and ran insanely smooth. No heat on this device either so far. Next game we're going to be trying out on this device is Call of Duty Mobile. So this is a first-person shooter. So we're going to try, I guess, 3 different genres on this device. So we have first-person shooter, we have third-person shooter on Fortnite, and we did some racing gaming on Real Racing. So let's go ahead and see how this runs. Alright everyone, so we're starting out here on the Nuketown map. We're going to see how this runs, see how this goes real quick. But I have a good feeling about this. The graphics look amazing on this device. These are on the highest graphic settings possible. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so already we have 3 eliminations. That's dope. Awesome. So we're doing great so far. Game's running great. Game looks amazing as well. Really like these graphics. There we go. Cool. Also, we're feeling no heat whatsoever coming from the device, so that's great to see. There we go. Melee. There we go. Another one. So we already got a victory right there. The phone did not heat up whatsoever. It didn't seem like it glitched at all either. And yeah, we put in some work right here. Alright everyone, so the next game we're going to be running on this device is Fortnite. This is going to be the last game we run on here. This is kind of a litmus test of, where this device is graphically. I'm interested to see if this can run 60 FPS on this device. I'm not sure if there's any sort of limitation. But we're going to check the graphic settings before we load out right now and see what happens. Alright everyone, so the quality presets are going to be at epic, so that's good to see. So instead of high, we have it at epic, and it looks like we can only play at 30 FPS, so that kind of sucks. This may be a limitation just in general on epic side, but we're going to try playing this and see how it goes. Alright everyone, so it looks like the graphics in general and the rendering of all of the foliage and the cities that we see is doing a pretty decent job. So that's good to see. We're going to see how everything else loads in as we drop though. As soon as we drop, I don't see any sort of glitching or any sort of render failing, so it looks good so far. So we only have one chance or one life to stay alive right now, so hopefully we do that just so I can show you guys the gameplay. But so far everything's looking good. Everything's rendering in pretty nicely on this device. I actually want to try out driving first. Let's see how that goes in this device. I feel like a lot of people want to know how that looks, so we're gonna check this out. So driving looks great so far. Let's actually leave this car. Let's go ahead and check out this little Lamborghini Countach. The animations look great though so far. Let's actually get in here first so we can disguise ourselves. Let's take this guy's gun right here. There we go. I think we have Dr. Doom going against us right now. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh, so we got eliminated right there. But as you guys can see, all of the animations and everything seem to run pretty decently. The phone is getting a tiny bit warm, but it's not hot at all. It's not really anything out of the normal. But this game runs good on this device. But yeah, guys, tell me what you think in the comments section down below. I thought this game ran pretty decently, and every other game ran perfectly on this device. So I feel like this is going to be a lot of people's gifts for Christmas, for anybody that wants a device that's not $1,200 but can game like a $1,200 device, or virtually the same as a very premium device. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. It's been so fun from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.